Till which table you remember? And don't come to the class with this attitude. I will not react, I will not tell, I don't know, I will sit in that corner. If you do that, I'll tell daddy not to come here. Okay?
I think like 11.
Till 11. Let's see till 10. Okay?
Yeah.
Everybody here, Nihit, you also. If you are coming to the class, the only objective is we are here to learn. Okay? If you don't show interest for learning, I'll have talk ready. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so Yaganya is also here. So, see, the screen looks pretty full. We have 6 kids on the screen. I like it. Not 6 kids, 5 kids and 1 very old person on the screen. Okay. So this is for Akshara to know, and for Ishan and Nihit also to be aware of, that every Saturday we do tables. When I say tables, slide the chair down and sit properly. Don't try breaking the chair, just slide it. Yeah. Okay. So we spend initial 10 minutes to memorize the tables, because tables are very important. Oh, Syanvi is also here. Yes, Syanvi was missing too. Where did you go? Alright. So we do tables. I asked you guys some question to see how many you know table till which number, because tables are the building blocks for us to do maths in an efficient way. So in this class, since you guys are level 1, the minimum I expect is you all should be champion in table up to 10. Okay? At least 10. Some of you I think know table more than that, but 10 is the minimum I want everybody to be a master in. When I say master, what I mean is 9 9 is 81, 9 7 is 63. Without taking time. That is the level I want each one of you to go to. Okay? So we'll work on that. It doesn't take too much effort, because if you know tables, every math becomes fun. Alright, let's see who knows what. So Ishan said he knows till 10, Tasvik till 12, till 4. Okay, Nehit till 4, Aditi?
I know tables till like 7 and 8.
Till 8, okay. Shalini?
I just learned 12 tables. So
Okay, I'll focus on till 10, okay? 12, I will give you the luxury, okay? If till 10 you don't make mistake, next time I'll ask you on 12, okay? Let's go to Akshara. How about you, Beta?
only till 9.
Till 9, okay. Sami?
Today, is it okay if I try for 20 20s?
What is that?
Is it okay if I try for 20 20s?
Wow. No, trying is fine. Trying is perfectly fine. I
But
don't...
I know till 12.
Till 12, yeah, that's what we'll focus on. See, when you guys are growing up, right, I will let you guys grow up, enjoy your childhood, and then get to that point where you know a lot more things as per your age. If you start learning everything now, what will you learn after 2 years? We have to enjoy our childhood and we have to keep on learning. This has to go together. Okay? So that's the reason why I don't stress anybody. How about you, Aganya? 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about you, Syanvi?
Till 10.
Till 10. Syanvi, turn on your video. See, you're the only one who matches me on the screen, right? Matching. We have both glasses. And here in the classroom, I have Nihit and Tasvik with the glasses. Alright, so let's start. Let's go to Aditi. Let's start with Aditi. I'll ask some questions. Let's see how quickly she is able to respond and how accurately she responds. 9 5 ja.
45.
8 7 ja.
56.
6 9 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
64.
Wonderful. Good job. And you know what? I tricked Aditi just now. I know Aditi knows table till 10, okay? And she told me she knows only till 8. And I started with 9 and she answered it accurately. Yeah? So see, I know you all, okay? Alright. So let's go to Jaganya.
Sure.
12 6 ja.
22.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 7 ja.
84.
Very nice. Let's go to Tasvik. 12 6
72.
8 9
72.
8 8
64.
7 9
63.
12 9
108.
9 9
81.
Good job. Let's go to Ishan. 5 8
40.
4 9
20.
4 9 36 8 5
40.
4 9
37.
36. Just now I told, right? 7 7 49. So see, this is what it is. You need
Because I'm
to,
new to like summer and I haven't been practicing.
right. So start practicing. That's what I'm saying. So now I know you guys all came from summer break. Some of you went to India, had fun with grandparents, met family, all that, right? Now we are coming back to the to the learning exercise. So I want each one of you, whether you know the table or you don't remember the table, you have to still spend 5 minutes every day for yourself. When I say 5 minutes, I am saying 5 minutes of your unproductive time. When you have nothing else to do, you are just wondering what to do and you start looking for an iPad to play with that. Instead of looking for the iPad, sit on the couch, say, okay, let's see, where did I get stuck? Oh, I got stuck in table of 4 also. Let me start. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20. 2 till 10. Catch hold of somebody, ask him to ask you questions, him or her. And you have to do that. Okay. You can do all possible things. You can argue with me. You can feel tired. You can do stretching in the class. You will say, okay, how much time we have left? Can I go to washroom? All that is fine, but that defeats the purpose. Let's spend that time for ourselves to learn it. Okay. All right. Let's go to Sammy. Till 12. 11 8
88.
9 9
81.
7 6 7 6
42.
4 8
32.
12 7
84.
8 8
72.
64 8 8 but yeah, I know you were just rushing for it. You wanted to show that speed, and that is where you just missed one small thing. But I mean, I have heard you enough. You're doing pretty good. But again, all of you, right? Just keep that 2 minutes for yourself. Okay, 2 minutes of your unproductive time for memorizing tables. All right. Even if you have become a champion, even if I give you a certificate that okay, Sami is champion, doesn't matter. You still spend 2 minutes. Okay, till you guys are in high school. Is that okay? Only 2 minutes. All right. Let's go to. No, Aditi, I'll come. Aditi, you have a question?
Yeah. I have a project to go to at 5 o'clock.
We'll finish before that. Don't worry. Okay. Let's go to Akshara. Let's see. So Akshara, you said table till
9.
9. Let's see. Till 8. Okay. Any which way is fine. So 5 8
40.
Very nice. 4 9
36.
Very good. Very good. 6 6
48.
36. 6 6 36. Okay. So okay. There is one more thing for Akshara and Syanvi. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If this is one class where you have the full freedom to make mistakes, okay, and nobody laughs. Because now what happens is we always think, oh, if I say something, will it be right? Will it be wrong? Will somebody think something bad about it? No. Keep that aside, okay? Here, Akshara, here. So what I'm saying is, if you make mistakes, don't feel bad about it. This is a class where we'll make mistakes and we'll learn from it. Okay? Alright, let's continue. 6 6
36.
7 5
What is
Very good. So, I know Akshara, this is your first class, and all the kids in this class, I've been bothering them enough to memorize tables, okay? So, that's why you see that, no, they have spent some time. And again, this is my style, I would say. I ask the kids to memorize tables because that is important, okay? That's very important. So, your first class, I'm recording this class, and you will see the video of the class after some time, whenever you get time. After 2-3 weeks, then we will again see your video of the table, and then you will tell me whether something has changed or not. Okay? But yeah, here I think you have dealt with table in the past. Just that nobody has bothered you to memorize it like the way I do here. Okay? So we'll spend 2-3 minutes every day to memorize tables, and when you memorize some table, you'll catch hold of daddy, mommy, anybody in the family, say, okay, fine, ask me questions. Do it like a sport, okay? When they ask questions and you're able to respond them very quickly, you'll say, okay, yeah, I won. I need a prize, I need a candy. I mean, if you're allowed to. Or if you don't, parents will say, no, today you made 2 mistakes, so no candy for you today. That's okay. We'll play. We'll learn things in a playful way. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? But make sure that next Saturday, I want you to be very thorough with tables till, let's say, 7. Till 7, let's make it solid. Then we'll go to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? In next 2-3 months. I'm not in a hurry. I want you to become solid and then move on, okay? Alright. Who is remaining here in the class? Everybody? Oh, Seanvi, table till? 10. 8 8
64.
9 5
45.
7 9
63.
8 8
64.
5 9
45.
8 7
56.
7 9
63.
10 6
60.
Good job. So see, everybody is making me happy, okay? Everybody, including Akshara. Because I've seen many kids when they join in the first class, they'll say, no, I have not dealt with table. That was not the case with Akshara. Akshara knows tables. Just that we'll practice, we'll have more fun with tables. Alright? Alright. Nehit, table till? 4. 4 5
20.
6 3
What?
6 3 I was tricking you. You said table till 4, I was asking you table of 6, right? Anyways. 3 9
26.
27. 4 8 That doesn't help. No, I said that doesn't help. You had an opportunity to show your talent, and we talked about it. Let's practice, prepare more. We'll talk in next week. Okay, yeah.
38.
32. So okay, that means this means this. Okay, okay. No prompting, no clue. Okay. So see, I'm not going to give you guys a certificate. I don't have prize also, right? What we are doing here is to make sure that who knows how much and where we have to put that effort. So what it means, Nihit, is we have to still work on that table. Okay? Next Saturday, table till 4.
Okay.
Quick and accurate. Okay?
Okay.
That's a promise. Pinky promise. Okay. How do you do pinky promise? Like this? Okay. Pinky promise till table 4. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's start. What have we learned in the previous class? Everybody, who all remembers? Yaditi.
Like we learned about squares, circles, radius.
So, in summary, Anybody else remembers what we learned in last couple of classes? Yep, yeah, Salni.
We did area
Mm-hmm.
of we kind of did a preview on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
We did a review of them, and then we did areas of rectangle, square,
Triangle, right triangle. Right.
rectangle, triangle.
Yeah. Yeah, Shianvi, what is that you want to share? What do you remember? Shianvi, what all did we do in last few classes?
So we did the perimeter.
Mm-hmm.
We did the perimeter, and then we did like the
Area.
area.
So,
Areas and perimeter.
right. So if I can summarize that in brief, in last 2-3 classes, what we have done is, we have looked at some of the basic shapes like rectangles, squares, all different types of quadrilaterals, triangles, lines, rays, and their properties. Then we tried understanding what is perimeter, what is area, and we tried deriving the area and perimeter for rectangle, square, right triangle, and we tried finding out the perimeter of a circle. This is all that we have learned so far. Is it okay? Do you guys agree? Now, let's do the area of rectangle one more time, and you will start hating me. Will not do that. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I had 2 options to choose from. I wanted to change the topic so that it doesn't get boring. Everybody here, Tasvik, Snehit, Ishan. I wanted to change the topic and learn something different. And those possibilities are, we can talk about measurement and unit of measurement, or we can talk about multiplying and dividing fractions. Now you guys tell me which one you want to talk about. Our third option is coordinate planes. So unit of measurement, coordinate planes, or multiplying, dividing fractions. Tell me which out of the 3 you want to learn today.
Multiplying and dividing fractions.
Fractions. Okay, that is one option. Let's see what Aditi says. Yeah, Aditi.
The number pi and the diameter of a circle.
Diameter of a circle. We can do that. That will not take more than 5 minutes. Okay. So I gave 3 topics. One is unit of measurement, multiplying, dividing fractions, and third is coordinate planes or understanding coordinate planes. Between the 3, I got one option as multiplying, dividing fraction from Salni. What do you guys want to learn? Tell me.
The fractions.
The fraction, okay. Multiplying, dividing fraction, okay. You also agreeing to that, Yaganya? Multiplying, dividing fraction. Sami?
The coordinate planes.
Here comes the fight. Okay, so multiplying, dividing fraction is one option. Coordinate plane is second option. I would not try teaching you guys a lot of complex things with the coordinate plane, because for grade up to grade 5, you need to have a very good understanding of what is a coordinate plane, and I would need one dedicated class, meaning solid 1 hour, to walk you guys through the entire concepts and go through it one by one. So maybe if you guys allow me, we'll do that on next Sunday, not Saturday, because Saturday we do tables, that takes away 15 minutes of the time. So we'll do it on Sunday, next Sunday, coordinate planes. If I at all dare to teach you guys anything else, stop me, say, okay, no sir, you promised. That was a pinky promise, yeah?
Pinky promise.
Next Sunday, we'll talk about coordinate planes, okay? Next Sunday. So, alright, everybody agrees? Yeah, Sianvi, you're saying something?
So, will we ever learn about a little bit of algebra, fractions?
Yeah. Yeah, so multiplying and dividing fraction is what Salini was asking for, Nihit also said, yes, Ishan.
Like, are we reviewing it because I remember doing these before.
Remember, doing this is fine. See, math is all about practice. So once we try doing it today, we'll also get to know whether whatever we have done in the past, we still remember that or not. Because when it comes to exam, they will not ask you whether you have done it last year or this year. They'll just give you a question if you are able to solve it or not. Next Friday we are trying to talk about, next Sunday we are trying to talk about the coordinate planes. Today we are trying to, based on the request that I've got from many of you, we'll talk about the multiplying and dividing of fractions. And I'll give you guys some sums. I would want to see if you're able to solve it or not. Okay? It's not like a movie that, okay, I have watched this movie, I don't need to watch it again. Movie, nobody asks you questions on movie, but math, yes, people will. Yeah? So let's see how much we know, what we don't know. So let's start with Nate, pay full attention because you asked me to teach fractions, right? Multiplying, dividing fractions. And if you don't learn it, then your request is not fulfilled. Yeah? So let's pay full attention. Next 1 hour is totally mine. Yeah? Alright. So multiplying, dividing fractions. First of all, what is a fraction? Yeah, Salini.
I don't know much, but this is what I can do.
Hello, Yog.
Like it's kind of doing like something like a half.
Okay. Okay. God, I think you know what is a fraction, but okay. Let's see what Aditi has to say.
A fraction is like I think a fraction is like this.
Okay.
Because
Okay. How about you, Yug? What is fraction? Tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me. No, I cannot hear you. You are talking to yourself. Unmute yourself first. Okay. While Yug is unmuting, Jaganya, what is the understanding of fraction?
I think a fraction is like a part of a whole.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, I think you are getting there, Jaganya. I heard you. Yeah, Yug?
A fraction is like a part of something.
Part of something. Okay. Anybody in the classroom? Give me a very lame example of a fraction. Lame definition of fraction. Assuming I don't know anything. Okay. Yeah.
A fraction is like, let's say you cut like a cookie into like 2 pieces. And you
A
take-
part of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. So okay. I heard enough about fraction. So everybody hands down. Let me start with the teaching part of it. Yeah, you're saying something? No? Okay. A fraction is something like a number which is not a whole number. Everybody here, Yaganya, I see you are talking to somebody. Pay attention in the class. Otherwise, I'll get distracted. Okay. So when you look at a fraction, okay, let's look at these numbers. What are these numbers called? Whole number or natural number. Yeah? Yeah? Everybody knows that?
Yes, sir.
If I have a wall between two whole numbers or horizontal wall, this is my horizontal wall. Nate, you move a little bit that side, closer to Tasvik without fighting with each other. If I have a wall between two natural numbers or whole numbers, that is what is a fraction. So this need not be 1/2 always. Here is another wall between 5 and 6. There is a horizontal wall. Yeah. There is a wall between the two numbers. What it means actually is this. Let's say you have an apple and you have 2 more friends with you and you want to distribute it equally. You'll say, okay, 1 apple divided into 3 cakes. This is a fraction. If you had 3 apples, what you would have done? 1 apple to each person. One apple every child. Now you have only 1 apple and you have 3 kids. You will distribute this 1 apple among 3 kids. 1 divided by 3. If you have 1 cookie and 2 kids, you will say 1 cookie divided among 2 kids. If you have $5, you have to distribute among 4 people. $5, 5 divided by 4. That's what we always say, right? Divide this into 2, divide this into 4, divide this into 5, divide this into 8. That is a fraction. When you divide something into smaller pieces, when that is not a whole number. If you have 2 apples and you have to distribute among 2 kids, you'll not say divide this apple into 2, right? You'll say give 1 to each. So if you have 1 piece which you break into smaller pieces and then distribute, that is what is called a fraction. That's an example of a fraction. Yeah, I see Salni and Sianvi has raised hand. Tell me, what is the question?
I forgot to ask a question.
That's okay. Sianvi, you have a question?
Like, is the top like a numerator and then bottom is like a denominator?
Yep, you are 2 steps ahead of me. I was first telling the concept, then we'll go to that. Okay? So, why do we come across a fraction, right? I mean, let's say, now look at my house. In this house, we have 4 people living. Not everybody has one house for himself or herself. This one house is divided among 4 people, right? So this is 1 by 4. This is an example of a fraction. When one whole number or a full number is divided among multiple things, or one thing, one piece is divided into multiple people, that is a fraction. Yeah. Yeah, you have a question here?
Yes, sir. What happens if you put like 120 and then you do that times 8? What happens if you do that?
180 times 8 is a multiplication. This is not a fraction.
Yes. Oh.
120 divided by 8. If let's say you have $120 and you have to distribute it among 8 of your friends, then you say 120 divided by 8. So remember this, one word makes a difference. By means divide, multiply, divide by 8 into multiply by 8 are 2 different things, okay? Alright, so this is okay. And when you are not talking, I would suggest you guys to be on mute so that there is no background noise. Yeah? Now, conceptually, Tasvik, you are busy doing something. Here. Okay. So, here we just looked at what is understanding of fraction. Very simply put, when you are dividing something, breaking into some smaller pieces, that is the example of fraction. You get 1 banana, distribute among 3 kids, 1 by 3 banana. $5 among 8 people, 5 by 8. $2 among 4 siblings, 2 by $4. This is a fraction example. Now what Sianvi was saying was, since we know when I am dividing something by something, 3 divided by 8, this is an example of a fraction. 3 things divided among 8 people. What Sianvi was saying was, this is called numerator and this is called denominator. Don't play with those thumbs up. Don't play with those thumbs ups. I'm wondering what's going on. Okay, so when something which is on the second floor is your numerator, whatever is on the first floor is your denominator. Yeah? Numerator and denominator.
Could I use the bathroom?
What did I tell yesterday?
Yes, like a...
Okay, great. So, if you are looking at any number, this is your numerator, this is your denominator. Let's say if I have 1 by 5, this is my numerator, this is my denominator. I have 3 by 9, this is my numerator, this is my denominator. Okay? 4 by 8. Nate, which one is denominator?
What?
4 by 8, which one is denominator?
4,
Now,
9, 8,
4 by 8, which one is denominator?
8,
8. Whatever is down is denominator. Down, D stands, down starts with a D. Denominators also starts with a D. Okay? Okay? Whatever is here is numerator. Alright? Alright. So, this is just the understanding part of it. Now, if I ask you guys, multiply 5 by 8, you will just laugh at me, say, okay, we all know tables. What happens? Who has dubbed off? Okay, I think.
yeah, that you did.
Who?
Yeah.
Yug? No, Yug is there.
Yeah, that you.
Yaganya is, okay. Yaganya, okay. So, if I say multiply 5 by 8, this is easy peasy, right? You all know tables. You'll say 5 8 are 48. I don't have to multiply. Yeah? Everybody? Yeah? That's easy. That is why table is important. Now, if I say I have one fraction like 2 by 4 and I have another fraction 3 by 8. Multiply. Who all knows what to do? Sammy knows. Jaganya also knows. Aditi also knows. Tell me what is the answer. Isha also knows. You have learned this, right? 2 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 8. Tell me what is, how much it is. Do it and tell me. No early answer, okay?
I kind of forgot how to do it.
See. Okay. Tasvik, do you remember? How much it will be? No? We did fraction multiplication, right? Maybe not?
Yeah, we did it with him.
Okay.
Wait, do we do it in the summer? Like,
No,
not
just
just
before
No, before summer. Before summer. Okay. Yeah, you can tell me how much it will be. Salni, okay, Salni, Aditi are also saying. Tell me, Aditi, how much it is? 2 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 8.
Is it 6 by 32?
Okay. Yeah.
I agree with that.
Okay. Sammy,
Yeah.
6 by 30. 6 by 32.
Yeah.
So,
I
see,
think so.
okay. You also think so? Ishan?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah.
What agree with them? See, when somebody says, okay, in examination hall you get a question, okay, multiply this, and you will say, okay, I agree with everybody else in the class. How much will you get? So you don't have to agree. You have to have your own answer, okay? Be the same answer, that's fine. You don't have to say I agree with them. Here what happens is, when you have a numerator, this is your numerator, this is your denominator, this is your numerator, this is the denominator. This is your one fraction, this is your second fraction. And you have been asked to multiply them, right? So you will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 multiplied, so you can simply write this as, okay, whatever you have, 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 8. Now, I cannot dare to say this is a wrong answer. I cannot say that 6 by 32 is the wrong answer. But I can still say there could be a better answer. Any guesses what that would be?
I couldn't think that.
Tic-tac-toe? Yeah, yeah. See, you guys are trying to study math. I'm trying to play with math. I want you guys to play with math. That is tic-tac-toe. So tic-tac-toe is something that you can do if you know some a concept called factorization. When you can break a number into smaller fractions. Okay? See, here the words fractions or factors. If I have 6, I can write this as 2 into 3. These two are called factors. These are two babies coming out of this number. Okay? This is a breakdown of this number. Similar, like here, a number got split into two pieces called factors. Similarly, when you look at the fractions, Fractions and factors sound very similar, right? Very close to each other. Fractions and factors, correct? These are called factors. When you break a number into smaller pieces, those are called factors. And here we are trying to break 2 by 4, divide 2 into 4 pieces. That is called fraction. This is a fraction, this is a factor. So these are very, very relatable, okay? Now let's look at the factors quickly for little 2 minutes and then we'll go back to fractions, okay? Because that is when the fun starts. Somebody had a question? No? Yeah, Aditi.
It's kind of easy, right?
Yep, it's easy when you practice. So, or when you play with it. I would want you all to play with math. Now let's play a little bit more. I have Yuk.
But like, wait, I forgot. Never mind.
Okay, so wait. I mean, right now we are trying to understand how do we get factors? How do we break? Tasvik here. How do we break a bigger number into smaller numbers? Okay? Or multiples of smaller numbers. Now let's look at this. If I have 6, in what all ways I can break it down? I can say 6 equals 1 into 6. I can say 6 equals 2 into 3. Do you guys agree? Okay. Let's say if I have 15, what can I do? I can write this as 1 into 15 or I can write this as 3 into 5. Do you agree?
Yeah.
If I have 20, I can write this as 1 into 20, 2 into 10. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep. If I have 20, I can write this as 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. So when you guys are not talking, just go on mute so that it doesn't become an echo. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Andy.
So if you had like 8, so if you had like 8 by 7 and then you had 10 by 8, would it be like 56 on the top?
No. We are not going there. We have not gone there yet. We are just looking at individual numbers, okay? We are trying to break bigger number into smaller numbers, okay? That's what I call as factors. So here if you look at 6, I can write this as 1 into 6 or 2 into 3. If I have 15, I can write it as 1 into 15, 3 into 5. Or if I have 20, I can write this as 1 into 20, 2 into 10 or 4 into 5. So here, why I am doing this factorization is because I want you guys to play. Let's say this. This was our question, 2 by 4 into 3 by 8. Our question was 2 by 4 into 3 by 8. And you guys rightly said it will become 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 8. Up to this much everybody is clear, right? Everybody? Are you guys listening to me or you are lost in your own world? Thinking about Roblox or what? Skibidi? Calm down. So, but are you paying attention to the class is what I'm asking.
Yes.
So, okay. If I have two fractions like this is what you guys told. That will become 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 8. I'm saying I'm not done yet. I will not multiply 2 into 3 and this one because I think I can do something more. I can convert this into smaller numbers. Calm down. When you are studying, you have to be very calm. Okay? Alright. Now, what I'm saying is, I have 2. 2 is a very small number. Let me not try breaking it. 2 into 3. But 4, I can always break it. I can write this as 4 into 1 or 2 into 2. Let me break it down. 4, I can write 4 as 2 into 2. 4 is 2 into 2. And then I have a 8. 8 also I can write as 8 into 1 or 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. So let me write this as 2 into 4. So this is my 4. 4 I have written as 2 into 2 and 8 I have written as 2 into 4. Up to this much, is this clear to you guys? I have this number. What I am doing is, every big number that I have, I am trying to find out if I can convert into smaller numbers. That's what I am doing so far. Yeah? Yeah, Diti and Sianvi.
Like the skibbity is so funny.
Yeah.
You can
So,
find your
so
table.
okay. Skibbity is out of syllabus, so we'll not talk about that.
But how do you know it?
I know it because you guys waste a lot of time with those words.
It's
Okay.
brainwash though.
Leave that. If we start talking about that, we'll not learn anything in the class. So, yeah. Yes, Yanvi, you had a question?
I don't really get it.
Okay, now you hear my story, okay? I had this fraction to multiply with this fraction. Yeah? That was my starting point. So what it says is, whatever I have on the second floor, that will get multiplied. Whatever I have on the first floor, that will get multiplied. So 2 gets multiplied by 3, divided by 4 gets multiplied by 8. That is what some of you did, and you told me my answer would be 2 times 3 is 6 and 4 times 8 will be 32. I said, we are not done yet. We can still simplify this. So I said, okay, I am not happy with this answer because I see there is more we can do. We can do more game with this. We can play with this a little more. And that is why we are now trying to do factors. We are breaking the bigger number into smaller numbers. So 2 is a small number. I can only write 2 as 1 times 2. Or 3 is also a small number. I can write 1, 2, 3. That's it. I cannot break it further. But 4 I can break it down. I can write this as 1 into 4 or 2 times 2, 4. Similarly, 8 I can write as 2 into 4. So that's what I did. So 4 I have written as this, 2 times 2. And 8 I have written as 2 times 4. Okay. So that is what I did. I just broke the bigger number into smaller numbers. I just split that into smaller numbers. Okay. Now the fun begins. Now I have all smaller numbers here. In the numerator I have 2 and 2 multiplied by 3. In the denominator I have 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 4. Yeah? Jaganya is sleeping. Jaganya's video has stopped, I think. Yeah. Jaganya's video stopped with her eyes closed. It felt like I am making kids sleep. Okay. Okay, everybody here, everybody here, everybody. Everybody here. Guys, take 5 minutes attention here, you learn something, otherwise you will only waste your time. Now, what has happened is, this number has become this. Now the fun begins. Hi everyone, you have joined 10 minutes early, okay? So now, this has become a small number. So Isha, pay attention here, otherwise we'll learn this one more time and then you'll say I forgot. Okay? Let's not do that. Now, this number has become a smaller number. The fun begins here. See, 2 and 2. Who all has played tic-tac-toe? We are playing tic-tac-toe right now. We are crossing the matching numbers. 2 and 2 we crossed. Now, do we have any matching number in the numerator, denominator? No. Here I have 3, here I have 2, 2 and 4. There is nothing matching here. Done. So, earlier you guys said the answer is 6 by 32, which is not the wrong answer, but now I have a simpler answer. My answer is 3 divided by 2 times 4. Let's multiply it. So it becomes 3 divided by 2 times 2 is 4, times 4 is 16. 3 by 16. No, don't make noise, that distracts me. Okay, don't do that. So here, earlier our answer was this, 6 by 32. What is our answer? 3 by 16. This is called a simplified form. We simplified a bigger number into a smaller number. Let's look at one example, okay? What do we mean by that? Let's say if I give you guys 8 by 16. We will play with this, okay? 8 I can write as 8 times 1. Yeah. And 16 I can write as 8 times 2. All of you who remember the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Now, oh, I see a matching number here and here. Tic-tac-toe. What it became? 1 by 2. Look at this number versus this number. Both are same. Both are actually same thing. It is like 8 apples divided among 16 kids. Everybody gets half. Did I give a speech for you to class? No. It's math. Focus on this. Focus on this. Because this is what you will do in your exams. Okay? Yeah? So, 8 by 16, if you look at it, this is a number like 8 apple divided among 16 kids. Or 8 cookies divided among 16 kids. Everybody gets a half. Both are same numbers. This is called a simplified form. This is a bigger value. Yeah? So that is where the tic-tac-toe plays an important role. Now come back to another fraction multiplication. Fraction division we'll probably do in the next class because I want you guys to understand this completely before we move on. Now let's see if I have 3 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 7. Whoever knows this can go ahead and do it, or else I will explain this. Shall I go ahead? Okay, now I have something like this. I have to multiply 3 fractions. The question is 3 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 7. Let me put this also. Multiplied by 7 by 3. This looks like a big problem, right? Yeah? But actually it's a fun problem. It is for us to play with. Now let's play. Yeah, you.
How is it fun?
We'll make it fun. We'll make it fun. Let's look at this. I have this number, right? Whatever I have, everything on the second floor, everything on the first floor. So let's say this. So everything on the second floor, 3 into 4 into 1 into 7 divided by 8 into 9 into 7 into 3. Okay? I have just written the numbers. I have done nothing. Yeah? Do you guys see an opportunity for tic-tac-toe here? You have 1 7 here, 1 7 here. Yeah?
Yes, kind of.
Not kind of. There is no guesswork. There is a straight yes or there is a straight no. Okay, there is no kind of, maybe. Yeah, Savanya. Shanvi, sorry.
Is the answer 13 by 4?
13 by 4. I would not know. We'll try doing it.
I did 3 by 8 times 4 by 9 times 1 by 7. I didn't do
7 by 3. Okay, so we'll do it. So let's not rush for the answer, okay? I am one very bad teacher who always keeps making one statement saying, I don't care about the answer. I don't really care about the answer. What I care about is the process. Have you learned this enough? Do you know what to do? Do you know how you will go about solving a problem? Okay? So you hold it there. I know you have questions, but I'll ask you to hold it there. Because we have to play. I am getting tempted to play. Now, here by looking at this, I had this, we came to this. Now, do I see an opportunity for tic-tac-toe? I see, I do. See, this 7 and this 7, tic-tac-toe, done. Okay? Now, I have another one. This 3 and this 3 also tic-tac-toe, done. Now, earlier it was a much bigger thing. See, 3 is gone, this 3 is gone, this 7 are gone. So what we are left with? 4 into 1 divided by 8 into 9. See, this was looking so big. Smaller baby left out. Can we break it further? Okay, yeah. I see 8 comes in the table of 4. So I can write 4 into 1 divided by 8. I can write as 4 into 2. So 8 became 4 into 2 and the 9 remains as 9. Do I see other opportunity for tic-tac-toe here? Yaditi.
I think this is the answer.
No, I would not care about the answer, as I say always, right? I don't care about the answer. So we'll come to that bit, okay? So don't rush, because what will happen is, if we just try looking at the answer, we might miss something on the problem. Okay. Now from this it became this, and we did tic-tac-toe, we played with this, and then we got this. Now here again 8 I can break it down into 4 into 2. Yeah. Do we have another opportunity to play?
Yes.
Yeah. We see this 4 and this 4, we can do tic-tac-toe again. See what it became? 1 divided by 2 into 9. Can we do any further tic-tac-toe here?
No.
No? So that, hi Sagnika, you have joined, probably, okay, she left, okay. Sagnika, you are 4 minutes early for your class. So let me finish the class for the junior kids, and Myra also. We'll start at 5 o'clock for you guys. Now here, look at this problem and come to this. It becomes 1 by 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18. That is my answer. This problem to this answer. Yep.
But you can also do 1 into 2, that becomes 2. So do you do that or?
No, 1 into 2, no. This is denominator, right? I'll only multiply things on the same floor. It's like this is 3rd grade, this is 4th grade, this is 5th grade. So this is another grade, this is another grade. I'll only deal with the kids in the same grade. Okay? So 1 divided by 18. So this big problem became this small problem. Yeah? This big problem became this smaller answer. Easy. And we did not learn anything. We did not study anything. What did we do? We just played with it. Yeah? Now, we have 2 more minutes before the next class starts. I will show you guys how quickly you can solve a big problem in 1 minute. Okay? Let's look at this. 3 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 6 multiplied by 7 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 14. Okay? This looks big, but this is fun. This is not a math, this is a sports. Now let's do it this way. What happens? 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 14. Here, do we have any opportunity to find tic-tac-toe? We don't see anything right away. Okay, fine. 3 remains 3, let 4 remain 4, 2 remain 2, 7 remain 7, 2 remain 2. Here, 8 I can write as 4 into 2, 8 is done. 9 I can write as 3 into 3, this is done. 6 I can write as 3 into 2, this is done. 5 I can write as 5. 14 I can write as 7 into 2. See, there's so much of tic-tac-toe you can do. This 7 gone. This 4 gone. This 2 gone. This 3 gone. This 2 gone. Okay? If I have nothing, I will just write a 1 here. What this became? 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That's it. This big problem became this small. That is 1 by 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 5 is 10, 3 is 30, 3 is 90. 1 by 90. This might look like I am trying to flex and show you guys that, oh, I am a champion, I can solve this bigger problem in 2 minutes. Not that way. What I am trying to say is, these kind of problems are easy to solve. You have to just play with it. Alright? I'll give you guys some sums on multiplication of fractions, and I would not want you to solve it, I would want you to play with that, the way we did. Okay? And if you have any doubt, I would suggest watch this video before you try solving those problems. So that way at least you will be able to revise what you're supposed to do and then use that approach for solving it. Okay? That brings us to the end of the class for you guys.